The clear property is used to control the behavior of floating elements. Elements that are positioned after a floating element will flow around it. This HTML page shows an example of this. The page contains 3 divs. One is blue, the other is red, and one is yellow. The blue div has a float left property attached to it. For this reason, the text contained in the red div floats to the right side of the blue div. We can see the text wrap around the blue div. In order to prevent the yellow div from floating to the right as well, we've put a clear declaration. This forces the div below the blue div, unlike the red div, which does not have a clear declaration.